Ironing isn't exactly a favorite chore, but the look of a freshly pressed shirt or smoothing the wrinkles out of a favorite dress can be extremely satisfying. If you're tired of pulling out your old, heavy ironing board for the task, just know that having a great ironing board that fits your needs can really make a difference. Whether you're thinking about a traditional ironing board, a tabletop board, or another option. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 ironing boards on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Airway Ironing Center with Ironing Board. If you prefer your laundry and cleaning supplies hidden out of sight when you're not using them, we present this sleek laundry center from Airway. The cabinet, which you'll need to mount or recess into the wall, holds a metal ironing board, with a 90-degree left or right swivel and a 4-inch height adjustment, that folds down and pivots when you're ready to use it. At 51 inches in length, the ironing board has ample room for ironing dresses, shirts, pants, and other items. Available in white and wood looks, the cabinet door is crafted from MDF. While this isn't the most durable cabinet material, it should last a while as long as it doesn't frequently bump into other surfaces. The door also has a rod to hang clothes up after, or before, let's be honest, you iron them. In terms of storage, the cabinet is capable of housing a small or large iron and a cord cover. Number 2. Rabantia C Ironing Board. This Rabantia ironing board is our top pick for the best ironing board because it's durable, quiet, and easy to store. Crafted from metal, it's a super sturdy board that doesn't wobble and has a 10-year warranty that shows the company stands behind its product. While it's a little pricier and heavier than some boards, it will last for years and pay for itself in longevity. It's also super spacious, as Garvey points out, saying never enough room for your linen on your ironing table. The Rabantia C is adjustable to 7 heights, the highest being 38 inches, which helps keep clothes off the floor and accommodates different heights. With an ironing space of 49 by 18 inches, there's ample room to spread out your clothes. There's also a handy iron rack at the end of the board to place your iron down, although it can sometimes obstruct your ironing. Number 3. Baritone Pulse Ironing Board. If you're pinched on space, this space-saving ironing board has a shorter length of 43 inches, most boards are over 50, a fixed height of 35 inches, and a weight of 7 pounds. It's also relatively sturdy for a small ironing board, with non-skid metal legs that provide rigidity. You'd have to work a bit to really make it not stand still when you're using it, but a smaller footprint and lightweight materials mean it will feel a little delicate compared to some of the heavier boards we've mentioned on this list. The legs also have protective feet, so they won't scratch your floors, a bonus if you're renting. Beyond the small size of the Baritone board, it also has a hook on the end, similar to the top of a clothes hanger, that makes it easy to store in your closet on the rod or a hook on the back of a door. Number 4. Household Essentials Tabletop Ironing Board. In the market for a tabletop ironing board? This model from Household Essentials is a great choice if you're looking for a space-saving alternative to a larger folding board. This is also a smart item to pick up and keep handy for quick touch-ups when you don't want to deal with pulling out a full-size ironing board. What we love about this model is that not only is it very lightweight at under 6 pounds, but it also has some features we wouldn't expect from a tabletop ironing board at this price point. First, it sits higher off the table than most tabletop ironing boards, which means your clothes won't wrinkle while you're ironing, and it gives you more space to maneuver. Secondly, there's a handy iron rest on the end, giving you more room to spread out your fabric without the potential of burns. Finally, this ironing board comes with hooks, allowing for easy over-the-door storage. Number 5. Mable Home Extra Wide Ironing Pro Board. Are you laundering many large household items, like quilts, comforters, and blankets, that never seem to be wrinkle-free? The Mable Home Extra Wide Ironing Board takes a lot of the hassle out of the process, and it's not just due to the extra-large size of this mighty ironing board. The standout feature of this board is the patented and functional retractable wings. If you're regularly ironing in bulk, this feature makes it much easier to iron shirt shoulders, pillowcases, and other large items without flipping and rotating them repeatedly. Also, if you fold your clothes on your ironing board, the wings make folding easy, especially those large items. Beyond the expandable wings, the ironing board also has a friction-free cotton cover that allows your iron to glide over the fabric without getting stuck and forcing you to lift it away, a support tray for your iron, with a cord holder. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.